Hi there, my name's Michela. I am just coming to the end of my first year on the BA Hons Craft and Material Practices degree. I was incredibly lucky to have also studied for an entire year the extended BA route, which is a 4-year pathway, including your BA Hons at the end of it. The extended BA year is designed for people, all different mixtures of backgrounds. For a lot of people, like myself, they might have been out of formal education for a while. So I'm ex-military, joined up at 16. It's also designed for people that are maybe not quite sure which route they want to go, which degree they'd like to take. So you are handheld through to ensure that you are on the right degree for you. For anyone considering studying on the extended BA, I would say 100% speak to somebody that's done it already. Everybody's experience of the extended BA is different. It tends to be everybody has this moment of epiphany throughout the year. Some people, it happens earlier than others. For me, it was unit 3 of 4 where it all started to make sense. It was also at that point that I actually changed my degree. I applied on UCAS for a different degree than I'm actually on now, but it was through discussions with lecturers, academic staff and technical staff on the extended BA and the course that I went on to that actually I found my love of glass, and that's the degree that I'm now doing.